Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to go premium on Spotify. Now if you want to go premium or buy premium membership on Spotify on your iPhone and you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now to buy the Spotify premium membership or go premium on Spotify, you can't simply go from the Spotify app. You need to go on Chrome and you need to search spotify.com. So after that you'll see the option of get premium free for 1 month. So you'll also see the option of why go premium. So you'll be able to download music, you'll be able to listen it anywhere. You'll also get ad-free music, play any songs, and you may also have unlimited skips. You'll also see the option of individual, duo, family, or student. You need to select the option which you think is good for you. So let's say if I want it for my family, I'll click on the option of family. So click on the option of get started. Now to do so, you need to simply enter your email or you need to enter your username first to log in. So now you'll see the option of your plan, which includes the premium family plan. Now you'll also see the start free month and start billing that, and you'll also be able to see the number of amount you'll be paying, which includes 1 month trial and so on. So to buy the following thing, you need to add debit or credit card or PayPal. So select the option which you think is good for you. So after that, you need to enter your card number, you need to enter your expiry date, your security code, and you need to click on the option of buy now at the very bottom. So currently I can't show you all of my card details and expiry date with and so on, video and so on. So that's it. That's how you can buy premium on Spotify, or that's how you can go premium on Spotify. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.